power savers. Ever been stuck in a blackout, sweating with no fan, or missing the climax of your favorite show? Dramatic pause. Well, today's your lucky day. We're breaking down exactly how to calculate the perfect battery size for your home backup. No jargon, just clarity. Let's get you powered up. First up, meet the luminous Red Charge RC18000 ST Pro, long backup, low maintenance, and a beast for home energy needs. But wait, how do you know if this is the right battery for your house? Wings. Spoiler, it starts with your appliances. Let's crunch some numbers. Grab a notepad. This is gold. Step 1. List your appliances. For example, 3 fans, 75 watt each, equals 225 watt. 2 tube lights, 20 watt, equals 40 watt. 5 LED bulbs, 9 watt, equals 45 watt. 1 TV, 60 watt, equals 60 watt. Total equals 370 watt. But wait, always add a 25% safety buffer for unexpected surges. Calculator animation shows 370 watt multiple by 1.25 equals 462 watt. Safety first, folks. This buffer saves you from, oops, my blender just killed the backup moments. Step 2. The magic formula. Battery capacity in amp hours, AH, equals total load times backup time divided by voltage times battery efficiency times inverter efficiency. Text animation breaks down the math. Plug in the numbers. Total load 462 watts, backup time 3 hours, battery voltage 12 volts, efficiencies 80% each, 0.8. So 462 times 3 hours divided by 12 times 0.8 times 0.8 equals 180 AH. You need a 180 AH battery to keep your gadgets alive for 3 hours. Easy, right? Pro tips. 1. Always check your appliance's actual wattage. It's on the label. 2. Brands matter. Opt for reliable ones like Luminous. 3. Efficiency ratings. Don't skip them, they're the secret sauce. Imagine this. You chilling with lights, fans, and Netflix, while the neighbors sweat in the dark. Winks. That's the power of smart planning. Got questions? Drop a comment. Need a different backup time? Calculate with your numbers and let me know. If this helped, smash that like button, share with someone who needs power, and subscribe for more life hack guides. Stay charged, friends.